Picture this. It's the end of the month. You check your bank account and there's maybe $600 left, or $1,200, maybe $3,000 if it's been a really good stretch. You tell yourself the same thing you told yourself last month. Next month, I'm finally going to save more. But then life happens. Rent hits, groceries go up again, your car needs new tires. You go out with friends just this once, and suddenly you're right back where you started. The frustrating part? You're not irresponsible, you're not lazy, you're not blowing money on private jets and designer watches, but somehow your savings never crosses $10,000. And if that sounds familiar, you're not alone. According to a Federal Reserve report, over 60% of Americans have less than $5,000 in savings, and nearly 1 in 3 adults couldn't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing money or selling something. So the real question becomes, why is it so hard to break past that first $10,000? Because here's the thing, it's usually not your income, it's your habits. And today we're going to go through 7 money habits that quietly keep people stuck below $10,000 in savings, and more importantly, how to break them. My name is Kevin, and I spend way too much time thinking about personal finance and the psychology behind why we make the money decisions we do. If you're someone who feels like you're working hard but your savings never seems to grow past a few $1,000s, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because look, building your first $10,000 is one of the hardest financial milestones in your entire life. Not a $100,000, not $1 million, the first $10,000. And once you understand why, everything starts to make a lot more sense. Treating saving like whatever's left over. Most people save money like this. They earn money, they spend money, and whatever happens to be left at the end of the month, that becomes savings. But for most people, there is never anything left. The average savings rate is only about 4 to 5%, which means people spend about 95 cents of every dollar. Your brain naturally spends whatever money is available. If your account shows $2,000, your brain thinks you have $2,000 to spend. But if it only shows $1,200, your brain adjusts. This is called lifestyle elasticity. Spending expands to fill the available space. The solution is simple. Pay yourself first. Automatically move 10 to 20% into savings the moment your paycheck arrives, before you can spend it, before you can justify spending it. Once the money leaves your checking account, your brain stops thinking about it. You save $2,000. Then something tempting appears. A trip, a gadget, a deal. Savings drops to $600. That reset feels terrible. Savings should have layers. Layer 1, emergency fund. Layer 2, medium-term savings. Layer 3, investments. Emergency money is not spending money. Not for vacations, not for gadgets. Emergencies only. People underestimate this milestone. But $10,000 creates breathing room. Car repairs, medical bills, job changes. It reduces stress. And something interesting happens. Once people reach $10,000, they often reach $20,000 much faster. Because their identity changes. They stop trying to save money. They become someone who saves money. And identity drives behavior. Step 1. Automate savings. Even $10 per day equals $3,650 per year. Step 2. Track spending for 30 days. Most people underestimate spending by 30 to 40%. Step 3. Create a boring emergency fund. Separate account, harder to access, no debit card. This protects your progress. Building wealth isn't about being perfect. It's about building systems. Most people don't fail financially because they're bad with money. They fail because their habits quietly work against them. Fix the habits. Saving your first $10,000 becomes inevitable. And after that, everything changes. Your stress drops, your confidence rises, your financial future starts to feel possible. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. And check out the next video where we break down why the first $100,000 is the hardest milestone of all.